Quack, box. Using my Haines cooker today. And you can see it's hazy. It is hazy. Not a clear day. 45 minutes. I'm up 250. Climbing over 250. I'm using the plastic lid, or the plastic dome cover, whatever you want to call it, and the reflector. I'm using 2 black roasting pans. Inside is a pork roast and 3 onions. You can see to get it up off the bottom, I'm using 2, I can't see anything on my screen, by the way. I'm using 2 glass bowls to prop up the pans. They're in a bacon bag, and she's heating up quite nicely. 45 minutes, and that roast came out of the fridge, and the pan is touching the roast. So the temperature you're seeing is definitely kind of a real temperature. I mean, the meat's not up to temperature yet, but the pan is certainly conducting the heat. And I'm starting to like roasting with these black pans. So I'm finding that crisp up nice. But here we are, the Haines solar reflector. Really, I've been using this thing quite a bit, and there's all different ways you can set it up. Just a little bit of creativity. And, yeah, done a lot with it. I like the Haines cooker. It's a good cooker. Leonine box. Adio. Look, Spiwi Kizos, work with the sun.